Okay, the story of a robot inventor. So let's look at our essential question. It says, what inventions do you know about? Read about someone who invents robots. So, robots are pretty cool. They're definitely something that really takes a lot of time and thought and effort, and they're not something that we can just make without any planning or preparation. So, we're going to read about how this person made robots to help improve our planet. Okay. So, when we're reading, I want you to think about something that you would want to invent or make that could help our world. Maybe it's even something that could just help you, like clean your room or do your chores or something that would help make life easier. Okay, so before we get started, I want you to look at the cover page and I want you to determine, is this going to be fiction or nonfiction? Now remember, fiction, fake. So do we think this is going to be fake or real? All right. So, yes, this is real. This person's real. He did all of these things in real life. So, this is a nonfiction story. More specifically, it's called a biography. Okay. A biography is a story written about someone's life. So, if I were to choose one of you to write your life story, then I would be writing a biography about you. Okay. So, that's what the author did for this person. So let's read the story, and when we're done, we'll answer a couple questions and we will do our own little project with inventions.